Guys, we're playing basketball. And today, probably I'm not going to show my face, but it's pretty hard. Last video and like the first video we made, I said that it looks upside down and I'm filming, but when you're looking, okay, they got it. It's stuck.
Oh, you see?
Okay, Misa, in this video, you have to play. I'm gonna film you. Okay, go, Misha. Oh, he missed. You okay?
Yeah.
Go. It's gonna be pretty hard to film. Sucks. I don't mean you guys, but a video, but the topic. Because guys, my dad destroyed the video. Misa, let's go. Let's go, Misa. I'm tired already. Since I haven't played, I'm still hot. Let's get inside.
Yeah.
And let's like turn on the TV.